The scale of ambition. Deep beneath the Earth's crust, away from the prying eyes of the world, lies a sanctuary of forbidden engineering. This is the Apex Forge, a subterranean marvel where ancient legends are resurrected through the lens of futuristic science. Look around this massive hangar. It is the birthplace of a new world order. Row after row of mechanical titans stand in silence, waiting for the spark of life. Here, the scale of our ambition is matched only by the complexity of our machines. The raw ingredients, the genesis of a predator, begins with its foundation. We do not use ordinary steel. Instead, we harvest high-tensile carbon fiber and raw titanium, materials forged in the heart of extreme industrial pressure. Watch as the raw scales are sorted, each one designed to be a radar-absorbing shield. These titanium vertebrae, the dragon's spine, are the conduits of power, built to flex and endure the violent G-forces of low-altitude, high-speed flight in remote mountain passes. The synthetic soul. In the heart of the forge, science turns into alchemy. A proprietary dragon glass polymer is stirred in glowing vats, creating a skin that is as beautiful as it is lethal. While the heavy presses slam down to shape the wing frames, the most critical part of the process happens in silence. The neural calibration. We are not just building a drone. We are mapping an artificial consciousness, a predatory AI that learns, adapts, and hunts. Neon blue synthetic fluid, the I-cores of the machine, is pumped into its core, awakening the beast from within. The physical awakening. Now, witness the magic moment. The amber eye lens, a multifaceted optical sensor, snaps into its titanium socket. In an instant, it flickers to life, a fire that will never go out. Robotic arms work with microscopic precision, placing thousands of interlocking scales onto the neck. This is a masterpiece of neo-industrial design. As the dragon's chest plate undergoes cryo-curing as a blast of liquid nitrogen, the structural integrity is locked. The beast rises from the assembly pit for the first time, a 40-ton predator standing tall, ready for its purpose. Refining the predator. Before it can be unleashed, every inch must be perfect. Plasma lasers etch intricate tactical runes and identification codes into its snout, a signature of its creators. High-speed scanners bathe the body in blue light, checking for any microscopic flaw that could fail in the field. This is the fleet of the future. Dozens of identical bionic dragons stand in formation, a silent army of shadows ready to be packed into stasis pods and shipped to the world's most unreachable frontiers. The military advantages: fire and flight. The Army Command has arrived. They are not here for a demonstration. They are here for a revolution. Watch as the final combat protocols are uploaded. The dragon's eyes turn red, the signal of combat mode. The first benefits is its devastating fire, a concentrated stream of blue plasma that can vaporize armor in a heartbeat. Then, the flight. With a wingspan that shadows the floor, it takes off vertically, defying gravity. In the air, it is a ghost, performing high-speed barrel rolls that no human pilot could survive. The master of remote frontiers. This is why Project Apex exists. In remote mountainous areas where traditional armies fail, the bionic dragon thrives. Tanks and armored vehicles are no match for its raw power. It dives from the clouds, tearing through reinforced steel like paper. The testing is complete. The results are undeniable. From this day forward, the remote regions of our planet have a new, unyielding guardian. The myth is no longer a story. It is a reality.